Testosterone is foundational to our health and longevity, right? We all know that testosterone is a sex hormone. It actually, regulates reproductive activities, but a lot of us may not know that it is actually a metabolic hormone. It controls energy metabolism in various body organs, including muscle, adipose tissue, brain, liver, and even pancreatic cells, right? And again, deficiency of this metabolic hormone is leads to reduced genes expression of certain metabolic pathways such as fatty acid oxidation, glucose metabolism, bile acid metabolism, cholesterol metabolism, right? And again, deficiency of this metabolic hormone is actually leads to the reduced catabolism of energy substrates, which leads to lower mitochondrial energy output, which leads to inflammation, oxidative stress, right, which is linked to various metabolic diseases, right? And even we have found that research has found that androgen receptors are found on various organ tissues and cells and even on mitochondria. So testosterone have a deep rooted connection with the mitochondria. It actually it impacts the mitochondrial biogenesis by activating PGC1 alpha. It plays a key role in calcium regulation, right? And vice versa, if we have mitochondrial dysfunction, it directly impacts the level of testosterone, and this metabolic hormone directly impacts the mitochondrial function, right? But it is very essential to understand that how testosterone is regulated, right? And here your role of microbiome comes in, right? So your gut and oral microbiome regulates your testosterone levels. First, your gut microbiome produces various molecules and neurotransmitters such as GABA, serotonin, H2S, right, which directly regulates the level of testosterone, right? And certain vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin K, folic acid, calcium, all are required for regulating your testosterone levels, right? And again, these vitamins are synthesized by your gut microbiome, right? Even the issue of erectile dysfunction is actually caused by nitric oxide deficiency, not by testosterone deficiency, right? So even if your body is producing enough testosterone, if it actually potentiates nitric oxide signaling, but if your nitric oxide synthase is actually not functional, or it's not coupled with your endothelial cell, there is no nitric oxide production. And again, even you have enough testosterone levels, it will not stimulate blood flow, which is required for erection, right? So essentially, you have to understand testosterone directly impacts your overall longevity and health.